and welcome to the Insurance Guru. If this is your first time, and please don't forget to click subscribe and like this video because the content is really awesome. And if you are an old fogey, if you're my friend already and have been here, welcome back to this channel. You know you'll get informed, so let's just get cracking with it. Today's video, I wanted to discuss the term endorsement. So endorsement is a change in your policy. It happens a lot in insurance cases where something changes about the risk itself. So say for instance, the area I live in is now all of a sudden prone to lightning flashes. I don't know, I'm just imagining the worst. And then the insurance companies are having to deal with a lot of lightning flash claims around that area. Then they endorse our policies to say, listen, because of this, we have now endorsed a policy to say there will be an additional excess of 3,000 rands for lightning flashes, but everything else stays the same. So this is a kind of change that could happen. You know, another kind of change that could happen, or an endorsement that could happen in your policy, is if you've now claimed, let's say, 3 times in the past 2 years, and maybe not big claims, but it's small, and it's, when you look back now, you think, yes, the insurance company could look at it and think they've spent a little bit more than you've spent on them. So in that case, they will also likely endorse the policy. So in likelihood of endorsement will say, listen, your excess for your all risk items was sitting at 1,500 rands, but because of these past 3 claims, we are going to endorse your policy to then say your excess for all risk items is now moving to 7,000 rands. This is not because we hate you and we don't want you to claim. It's because you're becoming a little bit of a flighty risk now. You are doing a lot now. And we know people lose things, but you're losing things just a tad more than other human beings. So then an endorsement would take place. The endorsement can't be immediate. It needs to be 30 days prior to that actual endorsement. But it's a term, it gets loosely thrown around. You think they're endorsing you because they hate you. They're endorsing you because, I don't know, because insurers are horrible. It's not that. As I said in another video, really insurers are in the business of risk. So they take your risk, right, for money. So then they need to calculate that risk to make sure that everyone here benefits. When you claim, you get something. It's not because they don't like you. Please remember that. I wanted to just share this quick term, endorsement. If you see it, you think, oh, okay, maybe, and that's why I gave you 2 examples. One where it's beyond your control, you didn't do anything, but it just happens. And then one where it is maybe partly your fault because maybe you are more reckless than other people, or maybe bad luck has just befallen you for those past 3 years. Either cases, they can choose to endorse the policy. And that's actually a nice thing because apart from endorsing, they could actually cancel, you know, with 30 days notice as well to say, this is just too much, too many claims, and so we need to cut this relationship. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will click subscribe, like, and ask me any questions as well, comment, and yes, I'll catch you in the next video.